Here is a tip to fix a damaged connection for bolts or screws on cupboard doors or other fitting. Apply glue into the damaged connection hole and put the bolt in so that the glue sets together with the bolt. When the glue is set, unscrew the bolt with a spanner, twisting it out to create threads as illustrated. Fit in the bolt on the ready-made threads. Here is another way of repairing broken cabinet hinges. Drill bigger holes where the old screws were fitted. Apply glue, put in wooden dowels, and saw them off. Drill the middle part of the wooden dowels. Fit the door hinge and screw them in place. To achieve quick and easy measurements for your wall fittings, here is a good tip for using a level as a marker. Using the markers on the spirit level, mark the walls and drill holes, then fit the shelf as illustrated. Here is another tip. Use bicycle chain connections to join wood boards. First, grind the chain connections on one side, press them out, and attach every connection with screws on both the boards. If you are having issues with cracking wood planks when fitting screws, give the screw-pointed tip a little hammer and it solves the problem as shown. Here is another DIY tip to organize your cables on the walls. Drill several holes vertically, fit in cable ties, and apply a screw in each hole as shown. When done, align the cable and secure it with the cable ties.